Oh. See, you on number 3.
Number 3.
You on. Okay, down. I'll turn around.
Huh?
I'll stop so you can go in front. And then... So, we'll work out on the girl side. I'm too cold right now.
Huh?
I'm too cold right now to think.
Oh.
Yeah, you ain't a million miles, but you're not in Chiswick.
So, some updates. I'm in London right now, and I been so busy, and I feel like shit because it's my first period day, like, and I feel like and I feel so shitty because of period cramps. I did a photo shoot today. I had two photo shoot days in Birmingham before, basically yesterday and the day before, and I'm gonna have a photo shoot tomorrow. Then I get a day off. Then one more photo shoot again. Then Wednesday. So basically Monday, Wednesday, today's Friday, and maybe one more photo shoot on Friday as well. I'm exhausted, but I'm happy, but I'm exhausted. So yeah, I'm checking my calendar right now. Yeah. And I got Polaroids, I got cool photos from today's photo shoot, kind of like so I do feel quite good about the fact that no matter how shit I feel, I still go and do this and just girl power. But I'm literally dying today. I'm so exhausted, but for some reason, the moment I'm taking the pictures, like the photos, everything disappears. Like the pain, the headache, anything disappears. And yeah, which is good. I feel like it's a good sign. Okay, so we are finishing the day with alcohol-free Guinness. Cheers. So fucking tired. Damn, that's insane.
tools are there for them. They've learned how to use those tools. It will allow every
I do. I do vlogs. But I mean, no, that's okay. That's crazy. They have like, how do you call this trees?
Tree.
This one.
These ones?
Yeah, these ones. You don't know? Okay.
Because in the crayon. Yeah.
Maybe. I have no idea. What is it made from?
Brass.
Brass. Okay. That's cool. I don't know, but it's good that they're all cats. It's so cute. It's closer than for 4 minutes. Oh, we're going.
Yeah. How do I say sorry?
Yeah, actually, barely can feel like the grapefruit. Yay!
She maybe can't book it now because where you want to really what's going to do?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's definitely the prettiest Haiti that I found in London.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Да, в Амстердаме я не знаю. Только резинку. Да, в свои 16.
Do not cry.
Okay, ready? Okay, we're good for time. I just need to check when we get closer.
It's so hot.
Oh, exactly. I
It's
know
like
we're-
humidity. It's really, really.
I think we're about 5 minutes away. Do you want me to film you?
They're gonna film me later.
Okay, we're going to the tanning shop. I think tomorrow will be good actually. I'm just checking, I'm just thinking outside of the box if I have anything to do after work. But I don't think I do.
Saying something that. Why wouldn't he?
Dangerous area, Anna. It's not a place to stay outside. Very dangerous. Not dangerous, but.
That's so cute. Why it's so unfocused?
Okay. I'll be honest. No, yeah, I go. This is an artist area.
I'm not gonna put it in my vlog. I feel like it should be me. And is it worth it?
No. Well, it depends, but I say no. But the thing is, it's like 24/7. I just did it. Okay. I'll have a look. Can you see it? Cool, my bro. Take it easy. No, bro. No. It's true. But if we see something, you let me know, yeah? But you see, like, look how everyone's like dressed and stuff. Like, everyone's like, this is where you look at people, like, what they wear. Everyone's like super creative. Nobody's like wearing standard stuff.
Yeah, someone
Like
half
these
naked.
people. Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough. Oh, can you actually take a picture of me? I'm so happy with this weather. I can't. This is such a cool area. I'm so happy.
Have you been there before? About taking someone naked?
Yeah.
No way! So basically, when I was at NatWest, I forgot.
I
didn't know they had one of these here. You see something like you, bro? But I do feel very happy.
Yeah, I don't have any respect to.
Mate, you're being sarcastic. Look at the size of that. Do you think when they're watching it on... Sorry. View of this area.
Why it's different? Why it's not cucumber? Cucumber.
Go on, bro. No worries, bro. Take it easy. Love, bro. Okay, what did you say? Yeah, but what photo are you talking about?
From this place. Well, I do understand that you do not remember because it's hard to remember.
Like you see the old school architecture. The buildings. You don't trust the rest of the police.
Own police.
Yeah, you have to be like them. Yeah, they have different uniforms.
Piccadilly line is partially closed. New service between Hyde Park Corner, Uxbridge and Northfields is on the rest of the line. But Waterloo and City